Are you ready to escape into a world where every detail is a piece of art and every step takes you deeper into tranquility? Welcome to Visionary Designs, where today we're not just exploring a garden, we're stepping into the ancient art of Japanese garden design. These gardens are more than just beautiful spaces. They are profound expressions of harmony and meditation, crafted with meticulous care. Join us on this serene journey, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and click the bell icon so you won't miss any of our explorative journeys into design and aesthetics. Our first stop is the iconic rock garden known as Karesansui. Here, absence speaks louder than presence. These gardens are minimalist by design, using gravel and rocks to represent rivers and mountains. The carefully raked gravel simulates rippling water, a meditation aid for Zen monks. Notice the strategic placement of rocks, each one chosen for its shape and texture, and placed to perfection to encourage contemplation. This garden style exemplifies less is more, promoting a sense of peace and inner stillness that is hard to find in the bustling world outside. Next, we wander through the Tsukiyama, or stroll gardens, where each step reveals a carefully framed view of nature's artwork. These gardens are designed for walking, with winding paths that guide you through a narrative of scaled-down mountains, lakes, and rivers. The paths lead to unexpected vistas. A small pond here, a hidden stone lantern there, each element meticulously placed to emulate the natural landscapes of Japan. The Tsukiyama invites you to lose yourself in the beauty of nature, where every view is a living painting. As we move closer to the structures surrounding these gardens, we encounter Shoji and Fusuma, the traditional sliding doors and panels. Made of wood and paper, these elements are crucial in blending the boundary between the indoors and the garden. They allow natural light to filter in, creating soft shadows and a gentle, welcoming interior atmosphere that changes with the seasons. Water, an essential element in Japanese gardens, symbolizes purity and fluidity. We see small streams, cascading waterfalls, and calm ponds that serve as habitats for koi fish, each adding a dynamic element to the garden. Accompanying these water features are various stone arrangements, from rugged boulders that represent islands to flat stones that serve as paths. These stones are not just ornamental, they are stepping stones to different parts of the garden, inviting you to a journey of discovery. Plants in Japanese gardens are selected for their aesthetic appeal and symbolic meanings. Pine trees symbolize longevity and endurance. Sakura, or cherry blossoms, represent the ephemeral nature of life. Every plant is pruned and shaped, not just to beautify, but to create a landscape that tells the philosophical tales of nature's cycles. As we conclude our tour, it's clear that Japanese gardens are more than just spaces of aesthetic beauty. They are a bridge between nature and human creativity, a canvas where elements of design meet the essence of nature's tranquility. Thank you for joining us at Visionary Designs. If this journey through peace and natural beauty inspired you, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to follow us for more explorations into the art of design and living.